Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you exactly how to turn off Starlink on your iPhone. Whether you're facing connection issues or just want to disable it temporarily, follow these easy steps to disconnect from Starlink. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. It's the gear icon typically found on your home screen. Step 2. Access Wi-Fi settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. This will show you all the available networks your iPhone is currently connected to. Step 3. Find the Starlink network. Scroll through the list of available networks and look for the Starlink Wi-Fi network name. It will be the name of the Wi-Fi connection you're using for Starlink. Step 4. Disconnect from Starlink. Once you find the Starlink network, tap the eye icon next to it. This will open additional options for that specific network. To disconnect, tap on Forget this network. Confirm by tapping Forget again when prompted. This will disconnect you from Starlink on your iPhone. Step 5. Turn off Wi-Fi optional. If you want to completely turn off Wi-Fi and disconnect from all networks, simply go back to the Wi-Fi menu in Settings and toggle the Wi-Fi switch to off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off or disconnected from Starlink on your iPhone. We hope this guide helped you out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.